Hi! Kakagising ko lang, day off. So, start ko day 2. Ang aking Unicity. And this time, iinumin ko yung Unimate. So, andyan naman siya, may water level naman na indicated. Okay. Little drop lang. Okay. Unimate. Ang flavor nito is lemon ginger. So it has its own shaker. I'm on my fasting period. So this drink won't actually affect your fasting. Okay. Booster siya, energy booster. Para matulungan yung fasting period mo if you're struggling with no eating during your fasting. Okay. Actually, mabigat siya sa katawan eh. So, iinumin mo siya pagkagising mo sa umaga. And then, try to make sips from time to time during your fasting period. And then, until you are ready to have your meal, ang iinumin mo naman is yung balance later on. So, madami siyang benefits. Isa doon sa mga gusto kong benefits niya yung strength and memory booster. Tinatanggal niya yung mga brain fogs, ganyan. Inom din kayo ng madaming tubig to keep yourself hydrated. Day 2. And, again, so hopefully, mag-progress nga naman.